Hello again. I talked in my last video about the importance of critiquing other speakers and watching them to think, what could we learn from them? What mistakes might they make that we want to avoid? But I think it's also important that we get into the habit of critiquing ourselves, or accepting critique, particularly. So if you are preparing for a presentation, a really important part of that preparation is delivering that speech and having it critiqued, because that will allow you to make it better. Two ways to do this. First of all, invite some people to watch it, whether you're doing it on screen, whether you're doing it in a room. Get some people to watch it and invite them to critique you. Make sure you invite people who you respect, who you think are going to be able to give you positive, helpful critique, not just rip it apart, because that doesn't necessarily help. The other way to critique is to critique yourself. So when you are rehearsing your presentation, prop your phone up in the corner of the room and video it and watch it back and hate it, because nobody likes watching themselves on video, but it is the best way to understand how you come across to an audience. So you can watch it back, and I can guarantee you will very quickly pick up on any quirks in your body language, in your speech patterns. And once you're aware of those, it's much easier to do something about them. So get into the habit not only of critiquing others, but critiquing yourself and inviting others to critique you, to help you. So it's one of the reasons we've started Speech Club, is to encourage people to get into the habit of critiquing. First one is going to be tonight, the 24th of March, if you're watching this on the day the newsletter went out. And you'd be very welcome to join us. It's free to come along. The link is going to be in the box below. And while you're here, also, please do hit the subscribe button so that you get to see all the videos that I post as they come up. So I hope that's useful. Get into the habit of critiquing yourself as well as other people, and we'll see you soon.